Hey guys, it's CFL-TECH back with another video, and today we're looking at the Pixel 7a, but we're not looking at the device itself. We're looking at another case. Now this one's from Tudia, called the Tudia Merge, and we've done some other videos in the past on Tudia cases for different devices. Now this device has been around for several months now. It's a really good price device for $500. You can't beat the technology that you get for the money. So if you're looking for a mid-ranger, this is the one to look at. If you like Google and Android, I would say this is one of the best buys you can get of this past summer. And we're going into fall here now real soon, and we got the Pixel 8 series coming out, and we have a Pixel Watch 2, so stay tuned for that. You just never know it'll show up on the channel. You just never know. It's CFL-TECH. This is all about technology, news, devices, accessories. So we are the one-stop shop, if you will, for technology. So check us out, bookmark us. Well, how about you subscribe? That's even better. Bookmark, you could do that too, but that's for a website, folks. But check us out, like, share, subscribe, and also hit that thumbs up. So let's take a look at this Tudia case here. Now this one is called light blue, but it's kind of like a greenish blue. It's very pale, kind of on a pale side. It's got dual layer protection. It's got some pretty good shock absorption from what they say. Feels pretty firm, so it does feel pretty sturdy. Now if you look at this here, it separates, so you have the dual layer. This is a very soft material, a TPU, and this is a hard shell, so kind of cool. It's easy to put together, so that is not much of a deal at all, of an issue. So let's go ahead and slap it on, not waste any more time, and check this thing out. And it's on. So there in the back now, you see you have some grooves here. So this could potentially hold some dirt. There's the Tudia name, the branding right there. So that's kind of cool, if you will. It's kind of cool. And then you have the camera situation here. So there's some separation, maybe about an eighth of an inch, if that. So that's good. There's some distance there, so it offers some protection. And then you have the sides. They say that they're pretty anti-slip or, good grip here. So feels pretty good. And then these are pretty tactile as well, so not bad at all. And everything seems to be lining up, so that looks good too. Usually it's not a problem anymore as far as lining up, so everything looks good on that. So feels pretty good. So we're gonna have this link down below. We're not gonna show the packaging because it came in its own packaging. They didn't put an outer packaging for some reason. They just put the label on the actual product packaging, which is kind of unusual for Amazon. But we'll have this link down below if you want to check it out. I think it's around $15, so check it out if you're interested. Check out the Pixel 7a. It's still a really good device for the money, even though the new devices are coming out in about a month. Google will have their update on the event coming soon, so check that out as well. But yeah, this is a pretty good case for the money, so it feels really solid. So check it out. We'll have it linked down below. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the continued growth of the channel. It's going great. We appreciate every one of you, and please like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. We have more coming, so it's not just about news, streaming. It's about a bunch of different technology here at CFL-TECH. That's what we do, and that's what we love. So thank you for watching. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Take care.